Tip number 5 is about versions, because every Bubble app has got at least 2 versions, and here's where you can find them. By clicking on the branches or the main, depending on where you are in the app, this button up here. And this app has got 2 versions, which is the main, which is under the subheading of development, and then the live version. So when you're making changes to your app, you'll be making them to a development version, in this case main. And then when I'm happy that those changes have got no bugs, I would deploy to live. Here are some things to consider about the live and the dev version. When you deploy to live, you aren't going to send any database entries, any lines in your database, but you will be sending everything else, such as design, workflows, plugins you've added, data types, that sort of thing. That gets deployed to your live version when you click deploy to live. It's also worth considering who you get to sign up for each one. I would say that development is strictly for internal testing or maybe family and friends. And you need to understand the differences between users signing up to your development version compared to signing up to your live version. If you think you'll ever need to convert them into paid customers, you'll need to sign them up to your live version, because only your live version will use your live Stripe API keys and make actual charges rather than test, demo, not real money charges. But there is a plus side to signing up people to the development version, which is that you could be on a call with them, your friend or family member could be testing your app, and they could say, oh, this button doesn't work. And you can fix that instantly. They refresh the page and the fix is in place. So it's quicker to work with someone than debug if you're both using the development version. But real users or people that you hope to turn into real users, you should really be using the live version for that.